Hello students, welcome to AES online English class. Today we're going to be seeing book 1, unit 4. Open your books to unit 4. Today's greeting is going to be, how's it going? Hey, I'm chilling, thanks. And you? I'm great, thanks. Okay, let's do it one more time. How's it going? Hey, I'm chilling, thanks. And you? I'm great, thanks. Let's do it one more time. How's it going? And if we do it faster, how's it going? How's it going? Repeat, how's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Repeat, how's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, I'm chilling, thanks.
Hey, I'm chilling, thanks.
Hey, I'm chilling, thanks.
Hey, I'm chilling, thanks.
Si no sabes, chilling es una forma de decir como que estoy relajado, estoy tranquilo. I am chilling, I am resting, I am good. It's a different way to say I am okay, I am resting, I am chilling. And you, I'm great. Pronunciation, repeat, I'm great.
I'm great.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay, let's do it one more time, fast. How's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, I'm chilling, thanks. And you?
Hey, I'm chilling, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thanks.
I'm great, thanks.
Okay, let's continue with the vocabulary. Open your books to unit 4. Open your books to unit 4. Got it? Open your books to unit 4. Today's class is about prepositions. Prepositions. Example, at, in, on, under, over, in front of, behind, next to. So look at the pictures in unit 4. What do you see in unit 4? Students, what is picture number 1? Picture number 1 is at. At. Estoy alrededor. At the doghouse. Picture number 2. Where is the ball? Question, where is the ball? Is on the nose. On the nose. Picture 3. Where is the fish? Where is the fish? That is the question. The fish is in the fish bowl. Picture 4. Where is the frog? The frog is under the table. Under the table. Picture 5. What do you see in picture 5? Where is the clock? Where is the clock? The clock is over the table. Over the table. Encima. Over, on, sobre, over, encima. Picture 6. Where is the ball? Question, where is the ball? The ball is in front of the player. Jugador, player. Is in front of the player. Picture 7. Where is the pig? Where is the pig? The pig is behind the tree. The pig is behind the tree. Picture 8. Where is the bird? The bird is next to the bird. Got it? Okay, let's continue with the practice. Question. The question is where is the book? It's on the table. It's on the table. Está sobre la mesa. On, sobre la mesa, on the table. This is singular, students. Singular. Where is the book? Singular. It's on the table. Plural. Where are the keys? Keys. Llaves. Keys. They are in my bag. They are in my bag. In my bag or in my pocket. This is a pocket or in the pocket. Activity, students. Activity. The activity is, look at the picture. Look at the picture. This is a conversation. This is a conversation. Where is the car? It's in the garage. In the garage. Where are the students? Where are the students? They are in the playground. They are in the playground. Activity. Activity in your notebook. Activity in your notebook. Answer the questions, and send them to the WhatsApp. And send the answers to the WhatsApp. Hagamos una juntos. One together. Picture 1. Where is your father? Where is your father? Use your imagination, students. My father is at the park. Or my father is in the house. Use your imagination, no problem. Continue with the practice. Where is your mother? Where's the teacher? And complete the questions, please. Got it? Okay, let's continue, students. JC. Hello, JC.
Hello, mister.
How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. JC, where is the marker?
The marker is on the book.
Nice. JC, where is the marker?
The marker is over the book.
Over the book. Okay. And JC, where is the teacher?
The teacher is in front of me.
Or
the teacher is
next to
me.
Okay. Thank you, JC.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What did we learn? Questions. What did we learn? Questions. Where are you? Where is your father? Where is the kitchen? Answer the questions, and make 3 more questions and send them to my WhatsApp. Got it, students? Okay. Goodbye, students. See you in the next class.